Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy ICH3 Tech. Coming back to you guys with another video. This is for the iPhone. I know the S10 and S10, the S10 Plus been out, and just wanted to see a lot of videos on that. That is still coming. I'm gonna shoot a video on that, and I might end up waiting for the fold. But this right here is just gonna be a case I say will be really affordable, reasonable, and durable for your iPhone iPhone S 10s Max. That's what I'm saying, 10s Max. This product, this brand right here, I actually had this for about a few weeks now, this brand. And excuse me, I had this for a few weeks now, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this case on this phone, I got the gold version. So like, it got a clear back, and you could get different colors too. You could get blue, black, red, and green. So it goes clear, blue, green, and red. You could get the background to be. Now at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you how, because I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on this device here. I went up to about 10 likes. Leave a comment down below on this video, and I'm gonna have a shot on my Instagram that I want you guys to go on the Instagram and leave a comment on there, say I want to be entered in this giveaway. So what I'm gonna do, and also like, sub, and subscribe to this channel. A lot more content, a lot more giveaway. I might be doing an AirPod giveaway, or a Samsung earbuds. Matter of fact, I'm gonna be giving those away too. So I'm gonna do a lot of things on those giveaways to give to you guys. But like I said before, this brand here is a big plus to me, because you got the protection, you got the redusted shield. I'm saying it wrong, blooper. But shock resistance. You got dual layer, and you got the cutout. Basically all your cutouts and everything is on there. It comes like this in a package, and this is the brand there. And also this is the way it look on my iPhone. It's real easy to get off. I'm telling you, I dropped this phone a couple times with this case on, and it protect my screen. So you do got a little lip there on the screen. That's one thing I do like it, and it's easy access to get off. It's not really hard, not tough. It's real easy to get off. It's durable. I'm squeezing it hard as I can, bending it. And that's one thing we want to get focused. You want a durable case. You want something I could just, this is one of my hard tables, so that, I'm just going to show you. This is a durable case for my iPhone X, S 10s Max. This is a real durable case. Excuse me on that there. Let me get that to the side to get that out the way. One thing I do like about it, it's really easy access to put into. So taking off and putting in is real easy to put in. Buttons are really good to get to, up and down. Let's get in there. Hold on, let me put my code in. Up and down, volumes buttons are real good. Power button is real good on there. I don't have to work too hard to put the power button. Up and down is real easy to get to. Actually got a nice cutout for your camera part there. Nice cutout that put your Thunderbolt report. And this is real easy to hook up to, because a lot of some aftermarket chargers do not work pretty good. Going on with certain cases, it gets stuck, or you might have to buy an adapter. But I'm going to show you here. Real easy to get in. Give you really good access. And I also dropped this in my water. So you still got the cutouts. Let's get that to focus. Still got the cutouts for your speakers and your mics there. You got a cutout there for your button, the unbutton, the turn muting, put back on. The button is really easy to use. I could even use my thumb to put it on. to use this. I actually have a screen protector too. I'm throwing in with the giveaway too. This is one of the screen protectors I normally use. I really like them, and you can see everything there. I need them to design one for, you know, the 10s, the Samsung version one. But you guys, let me know. Leave a comment. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on this case and a screen protector. So it's gonna be this screen protector come with 3 in a pack, and they are tempered glass. I took mine off. This one off. I'm actually, because I'm installing a new one, but they are tempered glass. This is the one that goes to. So you can see it's clear. But you got ones too that you could, you know, privacy ones too. But this one, I'm telling you, I like this because it don't even leave that much smears and stuff like that. But I had this off. I took it off because I'm putting a new one on. I think I got a little dirt or something under the one I had here, so I have to replace this one. But I've been using this on all my iPhones, you know, from this brand here, DX X Design, you know, screen tempered glass screen protector, and you can see what comes in the box. And you can pause that and you know, read on the description on this. But like I said before, this is a really good screen protector. Guys, you let me know. Do you feel like, would this be something you want to grab? Share, like, comment, share to your friends. Like I said, a milestone reaching over 1,000 subscribers. But I'm actually going to just give you guys, this is going to be one of my giveaways for reaching 1,000. Once we reach there, I'm gonna be giving away. But to be honest with you, I'll probably be giving this away way before I reach there. But that's the milestone. But like I said, this is a gold iPhone, so it still look good and classy in the background, you know, on it. I do have the black all the way around, so but I'm gonna be honest with you, it feels good in the hand. It's not, you know, out of place. See, I just dropped it. Just to give you an idea. I just dropped it. My screen is still good. I need to clean it. And you guys let me know. Leave a comment. Let's talk about it. You like to see this getting striped? Like I said, 10 likes, that's all we need. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on it. Like I said, comment below. Say Team Tech below. And also go on my Instagram. It's linked below to my Instagram. And there's going to be a photo with these on there. And I want you to go in there and say, just put Team Tech, enter into the giveaway. And I will be picking someone probably by the end of the next week or the week after that. I'm actually going to give this like probably I'm going to say 7 days to 10 days. Enter, so you guys have enough time to get in and get out, you know, get in to winners. And like I might end up picking up to 2 winners for this. So leave a comment below to say should I get up to 2 winners. And make sure you don't leave entries. Do 1 entrance at a time, no, not 2 or 3 or whatever. One time, there's 1 on here and 1 on my Instagram, and you be entering to win this case. Like I said before, there's gonna be a lot more giveaway I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing the Samsung pods, and you can work with the Samsung AirPods. It's basically the Galaxy pods that you can use them on this platform, iPhone platform, or your Samsung platform. So, like I said before, like, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. And I'll catch you in the next tech video. Peace.